In this video, I will show you a trading strategy using exponential moving averages, EMA, and the RSI indicator, which can be used for all time frames on any type of Forex currency pair. For the video, I'm going to show the strategy in the euro-dollar on the 5-minute chart, but you can use any currency pair you prefer and any time frame you prefer. Remember that the greater the temporality, the greater the opportunity to obtain successes. The first thing we must do is select two exponential moving averages. The first one we will put in 12 periods. We will change the color to red, and we will slightly increase the thickness. The second moving average, we will put 5 periods, and we will change the color to blue. After this, we will have to select the RSI indicator and put the parameter of 21. In case you don't know, the RSI indicator is an oscillator. This means that its value is between 0 and 100, so it is graphically represented by a continuous line that moves within that interval. If the RSI is above 70, the financial asset is considered to be overbought or overvalued. Therefore, an RSI above 70 would be anticipating a possible corrected price movement. On the contrary, if the RSI is below 30, it indicates that the financial asset is oversold or undervalued, so an RSI at this level could anticipate an upward price reaction. Of course, the RSI can also be used in many other ways. Having explained this, let's start with an example of a buy operation. We will enter a buy trade when the blue EMA crosses the red EMA from the bottom up, and also at that same point, the RSI is above 50. We will place our stop loss at the last low and our take profit at the support and resistance zones. With a minimum ratio of 1.5 to 1, that is, we risk 1 to try to get 1.5. In the case of wanting to carry out a sell operation, we will carry it out when the blue EMA crosses the red EMA from top to bottom, and also at that same point, the RSI is below 50. We will place our stop loss at the latest high and our take profit at the support and resistance zones. With a minimum ratio of 1.5 to 1, that is, we risk 1 to try to get 1.5. Let's see some more examples. And ready. I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.